Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.
पहला नशा पहला खुमार न प्यार है न इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना
Hi friends, this is Iman and welcome to my channel Tech Hunter. So friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use echo effect on voice by mobile phone. So that's for at first we have to need an app. So open your Play Store. Then here search for echo. Then you can see an app like this one. You have to install it. It is a very small app and it is very easy to access. I already installed this app, so I will open it. Then you can see an interface like this. Here from, first of all, you have to click on More option. Then click on Setting. Then click on Record button and select Tap to Record. Then scroll down and click on Echo Delay and select the echo delay measurement 0.2. It is the best measurement of delay for this app. So then click back. So now if you want to start a recording, click on record option. So now I will record an audio for you guys how to use effect here.
पहला नशा पहला खुमार न प्यार है न इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल ए दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता पहला नशा पहला खुमार.
So now if you want to stop recording, click on stop option and then you can listen your recording replay by click on replay option.
पहला नशा पहला खुमार न प्यार है न इंतजार.
After listening, if you think it is perfect, click on start option. It is top of interface. Click here for save your recording. After save it, click on more option. Then click on recordings. You will get your recorded file here. Here from you can rename it, delete it, and if you want to use effect on it, click on save and then choose the second option, save with echo effect, and then click on OK. After save it properly, close this tab and then open your file manager. Then enter in internal storage. Then click on download. Here you will get an echo folder. Open it. Then here you will get your recorded file with effect. So now if I open it,
पहला नशा पहला खुमार न प्यार है न इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल ए दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता पहला नशा पहला खुमार.
friends, I know that my English is not too good, but I tried to explain it properly. If I mistake anything, please forgive me. And I hope this video will work for you. So friends, to get many videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.